So, how do you feel now?
Well, moderately good, actually. Although my legs do seem oddly flexible. Almost rubbery, perhaps.
Oh, well, that's actually of no concern. A very common symptom during the recovery process. Of course, you'll be good to go in under a week. The surgery went very smoothly. We were not rushed at all, and it was just, the best that it could have gone. Okay, I think I'm ready to begin.
As you can see, Dr. Bunster has applied the sedative to the patient and is now ready to make the first incision.
Okay, I'm making the first incision now.
What we do here is extremely important, and we make sure to perform surgeries to the best of our ability.
Now, I am extracting the bone from the patient's leg.
Dr. Bunster is highly trained in what he does and very experienced in performing surgeries.
Help! My paw's stuck in his leg. Now that I've extracted the bones out of the patient's legs, it's time to reinforce them to prepare for the replacement into the legs.
Oh, system dynamics, no, that's not it. Wait a minute. What are you doing here? You can't be in here. You're in a library. You can't perform surgery. What are you, I'm gonna go tell a librarian to hear. Oh, you can't do this.
Oh no! Brown Bear, we gotta get out of here. Drop everything. Sew them up. We gotta get out of here ASAP. Oh, that librarian's coming fast. Oh, we gotta. Any other questions, concerns, anything at all?
Well, like I said before, my legs are so flexible, it's almost as if there's no bones inside of them.
Huh. Well, I have no idea why that would be.